A simple screw just got promoted. By fitting it into a pipe connector, he created a tool no one expected. It's clever, practical, and proof that the best ideas come from pure improvisation.